Hey guys, Logan at Enduro Engineering. Here I'm going to show you how to install our handlebar ends. Okay, most people that are going to use these handlebar end inserts are going to use them when they go from a full wrap debris deflector and then switch over to an open-ended moto roost deflector, and then that way they fill in the hole at the end of the handlebar. But if you're looking to just make it so that you have a stronger handlebar end with the aluminum end versus the rubber grip with just the plastic sleeve, you're going to need to drill out your handlebar grip. So with these lock-ons, we recommend taking a unibit, just drilling it out until you have a flush hole, or if you have just a solid rubber grip without the lock-ons, you can just take a razor blade and cut the end off. But from there, what you're going to do when you pull this out of your package, what I would like to do first is take the taper locks and kind of thread them onto the bolt further until they're touching and there's no space in between them. That way, when you slide them into your bar, you don't have as much to turn. So get them started. You'll have some of the threads sticking out the bottom. Just get it so that they're not separating, so that way you can still slide them in the handlebar before you take your 5mm and tighten them down. Okay, by getting those threaded in a little bit further, just enough to be able to slide it in. There's a little bit of tension going into the handlebar, but you can still slide it in. And then make sure you bottom it out at the end of the handlebar. Take a 5mm, hold on to the aluminum there, and then you can tighten it. And you see, I only did like a half a turn and it's already coming tight. Some people will slide it in, they won't get that started. They'll just sit there and spin it and spin it and spin it and it won't get tight. This is the way to do it so that it'll get tight right away. And then just give it one good turn. And that's it. Pretty easy. If you have any questions, visit our website, enduroeng.com, or give us a call at 517-393-2421.